We are guiding you on a walking tour along the port of Thessaloniki in Greece. This is an area some don't even know you can visit, but many prefer to use daily. We are only walking to the free area and will talk all about what you can see and do here. First, as you can see, it's a great place to admire the city's historic waterfront. But that's not all. There are more than one bar and restaurant with different price ranges in 2 designated areas. We are not covering in this tour the container and cargo terminal, which expands to most of the port area in the west. If you are interested in the cruise and ferry area, that's behind where we are and features a different entrance to the west. As you can see, there is also a small maritime museum here. Remember to enable subtitles for the best viewing experience. By the time you pass the only gate, you walk through this cobblestone area with distinct warehouses. Each building to the left and the right houses a different museum. These include Thessaloniki Cinema Museum and Cinematheque with exhibits on Greek cinematography. Thessaloniki Museum of Photography with frequent rotating exhibits. The Experimental Center for the Arts. For visiting hours to the above, along with ticket prices, check the relevant links in the description tab. We have more walking tours in Thessaloniki and even aerial videos with practical info about what to visit in the city. For your convenience, we have created a relevant playlist which you can find in the description tab. This video was shot with a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in 10-bit HLG and a stereo natural sound, so you can enjoy 4K HDR on compatible devices. Have you been there? Please share your impressions in the comments. We hope you will find this video useful. It takes detailed planning and a long time to record, edit, and create this content. If our videos add value to your travels, show some love by liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and staying tuned for more. Your support helps us grow Bestravelvideo and ensures we keep bringing you top-notch content. For more travel destinations with details and photos, go to our dedicated travel page bestravelvideo.com. As we continue our stroll, we encounter a fascinating site that pays homage to Greece's maritime history, the historic moored warship Velos. This decommissioned naval vessel, now transformed into a museum, stands as a proud testament to Thessaloniki's rich maritime heritage. It offers visitors a unique opportunity to step aboard and explore the fascinating world of naval warfare. When this video was recorded, you could not visit the ship due to the damages it suffered on the previous moored area at the new waterfront. The old big crane with the Greek flag is a much photographed Instagram area. This is the place you can board the water bus in the warmer months, usually from May until October, weather permitting. Since the routes might change, have a look at the official page via the link in the description. We created this walking tour having you, the viewer, in mind. As we walk in the area in real time, we would like to think that this helps you see and understand how close or far away each point of interest is, and this helps plan your trip better. As we turn back left, we can see one of the bar restaurants in the area. There is another smaller bar just outside the Maritime Museum. The museum was not open though when this video was uploaded. Stay tuned as we explore the rest of the area.
It's